What if I told you I know one sector, or you can say a career, that will be a booming career in the future? Will you upskill in this or even try to make a career in this? Yes, right. This career is none other than ESG. If you're someone who is interested in ESG and sustainability or just want to explore career opportunities in this domain, then you are at the right video. Hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak, founder of Intelligence, where I train students for competitive exams like CFA, FRM and SCR and also help them clear their exam. Now let us get into this video. For those who do not know anything about ESG, let me give you a quick brief. What exactly is ESG? ESG stands for Environmental, Social and Governance. When we talk about environmental, it talks about how companies impact the planets, like reducing carbon emission or managing waste. Social, how do they treat people, your employees, community and customer. Governance, ensuring companies are run ethically and transparently. In simple terms, ESG is all about making businesses more responsible and sustainable. And trust me, this isn't just a trend. Companies and investors are focusing on ESG more than ever. For those who want to understand ESG in detail, we have made a detailed video which you can watch through the I button. Now the first question is ESG in demand? Government all across the world are mandating ESG disclosures. Like for example, India, we have our own BRSR requirement, which requires the top 1,000 companies to file their ESG report to SEBI. Similarly, EU has SFDR and US has SEC proposals. This shows that global demand for ESG professionals are increasing. Not only that, companies and investors are valuing ESG more than ever. If you look at ESG focused companies attract more capital because investors are becoming more aware of the sustainable practices that are there. Also, ESG metrics help identify potential risks like regulatory fines, reputation damage, or operational inefficiencies. Now, let us talk about the career pathways that you can make in the ESG section. You'll find some amazing opportunities in ESG. For example, you can become a sustainability analyst, where you would be analyzing companies' ESG performance using framework like SASB, GRI, or TCFD. It's a great role if you love diving into data and making companies more transparent about environmental and social impact. Or else, if you are interested into investment side, you can also work as an ESG investment analyst, evaluating investments and building ESG aligned portfolios. Think BlackRock, Vanguard or Morgan Stanley. They are leading the way in this space. If your interest is in risk management, then ESG risk manager's role is one of the best options. Here you will be assessing ESG related risks in your investment strategy or operational decisions. This involves climate risk, stress testing or governance audits also. And for those guys who want to create meaningful change, you could also work as a corporate social responsibility manager. In this role, you will develop and oversee the entire CSR program to ensure that they align with company's value and also the shareholders' expectation. If the data is your thing, a role as an ESG data or scientist or analyst could be a perfect fit. You would process large data set and use tools like Python, R to analyze ESG performance and risk. Lastly, you could become an ESG consultant, helping companies navigate through ESG related compliances, strategy and sustainable growth initiatives. Big firms like PwC, Deloitte, KPMG, they are on the lookout for these guys who can work as an ESG consultant and guide their clients. These roles are booming and they are just the tip of the iceberg. If you're already in finance, making a switch to ESG might be easier than you might actually think. You don't need to be an environmental scientist to work in ESG. A background in finance, economics, or business administration is just as valuable. There are a lot of certifications which can help you. Certifications like CFA Institutes, Certificate in ESG Investing, GRI's Standard Certification, or SASB's Fundamentals of Sustainability Accounting can definitely help you to boost your credential in the market. And if you're passionate about climate risk also, then GARP's SCR, which is Sustainability and Climate Risk Certification, is also a good game changer for you. You can also dive into books like ESG Investing Handbook or Sustainable Investing, which is available in the market to explore. Now, don't forget to check our podcast on sustainability stories, which are coming soon. And also, for all the people, networking plays a big role too. Attend ESG forums like Global Sustainable Investment Alliances or join ESG focused LinkedIn groups to stay updated and meet the industry leaders. So now, what are the key skill sets that you need to succeed in any ESG role? You need to have strong data analysis skill to interpret data along with good understanding of financial modeling to integrate ESG risk into your model. A A solid grasp of regulatory knowledge is essential as global ESG regulation is also evolving. Project management skill set can help you to lead sustainability initiatives across your organization. And of course, don't forget the soft skill like communication and negotiation, as they will be key when you're working with different stakeholders to push your sustainable business practice idea. Looking to the future, ESG careers are evolving. We'll see more technology integration also coming in like AI and blockchain to improve ESG related risk modeling and reporting. And if you look at sector specific ESG focus, you will see industry like tech, then energy, agriculture, all pushing towards unique sustainability agenda. Emerging markets, especially in India and Africa, you will see a huge demand for ESG professionals coming up as they tackle up the sustainability related challenges over the time. So if you're thinking about upskilling or even making a career in ESG, now is the perfect time. Whether you're passionate about environment, social justice or governance, there's a place for you in this field. That's it for today's video, guys. If you want to know more about how you can transition into ESG or need help in figuring out the next step, drop a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Catch you up in the next video.